and welcome to this class. My name is Lorenzo and I am in the e-commerce world since 2013. In this class, we create step by step a very simple Node project that will create and handle webhooks from Shopify. In this class, we will see how to create a private Shopify app, how to store and use API key, password and shared secret, create and manage webhooks for specific events, both from the Shopify admin interface and from the Shopify APIs. We will see how to perform actions based on the webhooks. And at the end of the course, you will see how to validate and verify the integrity of the webhooks events in order to be sure that only Shopify can use your code. What are you waiting for? Let's start!